everyone. It's Thursday, June 11th. How was field day yesterday? I'm excited to hear about it today at our Zoom. Start maybe thinking about one thing that you did that you want to share about. And if you have any videos, definitely put them on Seesaw, and I'll check out the Flipgrid as well. So today we're going to celebrate Alex's summer birthday and get to see his birthday bag. We're going to make sure we read all of the directions on our blog today. And today it's super important to listen closely to the lessons because there's a lot of important information that's going to help you complete the assignments, especially the one about publishing our fantasy writing and our Spark videos. But I'll get to that in a second. So today we've got our Zooms at 10 o'clock, our regular Zoom, and 2:30 for library. So just some notes about next week. Next Monday is going to be a time change. It's going to be at 9 o'clock with our buddies for the book of the month shared by Miss Style. We'll stay on after our buddies leave, and we'll continue with Logan's summer birthday bag to be shared at the end. That will be our time for our Zoom. Instead of 10 o'clock, it'll be 9 o'clock on Monday. For Tuesday, we're going to start our book trailer share. So numbers 1 through 9 will share theirs this day. And we're also going to celebrate Caden's summer birthday with his bag. So we'll kick off our day with Caden's birthday bag, and then we will go to the book trailer share. On Wednesday, we're going to continue our share to highlight numbers 10 through 18, and Mr. Casal will join us to troubleshoot any publishing to Padlet. And for Thursday, it's our farewell party. We're going to say goodbye to each other, talk about our summers, reflect on the amazing year we had and kind of unusual, and go ahead and say goodbye to fourth graders. All of our specials pages are here, and our e-learning questions Padlet is here. So for today, this is the day. It is your last bingo board activity. So whatever your free choice or your fantasy book is for your book club, keep reading what you had decided on Monday. You can kind of check on Padlet if you need to review what you're supposed to be reading. And you are picking one final bingo board activity. This is your last one, so make it great and post it onto Padlet. For writing today, this is a complicated day, so it will be especially important to watch Miss Luciano's video. You are going to be creating your Adobe Spark videos if you didn't already start them on Tuesday. When you've finished with your script, you've run it by me. I looked at all of the ones that I had. I had everybody's but one. So everybody but one of you is ready to go. Just check for comments on it. And if you don't have any comments, that means you're good to go and start making your video. Watch the lesson to remind yourselves how to get into Adobe Spark Video, how to create the video, and then how to put your writing and your trailer into your downloads to bring into a special folder on Drive. You have to watch Miss Luciano's video to understand this all. So go ahead and watch this, and you're only going to be doing the first half of this tutorial. So what's going to happen is you're going to download your fantasy story as a PDF. You're going to download your trailer from Spark Video to your computer, and then you're going to grab your Spark Video from your downloads file and put it into this 3M book trailers folder so that all of our book trailers are in one place. Confused? Don't worry, it's all right here. You may have to stop and pause the video, go do it on your computer. Then bring the video back up. Then go do the next step. Go step by step. Do not worry about posting your trailers and writing to Padlet. That's going to be another day. So you're only doing the first half of this. For math today, we're going to be starting something called classifying quadrilaterals. That's just a really fancy way of saying, how do we organize these four-sided shapes? Because there's a lot of four-sided and four angles shapes. So we're going to be thinking about the names of all of these shapes and what categories they belong in. There is no workbook page today, but you're going to be completing a BrainPop assignment. So you're going to log into BrainPop using G Suite. Make sure you're going through the Heathcote Gateway and following those instructions. You'll complete your assignment on quadrilaterals. It looks like this. It says you're going to watch the video, the movie, and then you're going to complete either one or both of the quizzes. I've made the hard quiz and the easy quiz, both available to you, but you can choose which one you'd like to do. And then, or you can do both, get some extra credit points right at the very end. And then you could also do this quadrilateral robot. You can print this out, color it, and kind of practice your work with which of these are squares, which of these are rectangles, which of these are trapezoids, circles, and triangles, just for fun today. All right, today we are going to Manhattan. So this video is going to focus on the southern tip of Manhattan. So you're going to see some fascinating pictures of then and now, so past and present. You're also going to, and I love these resources. There's one about a tour of Ellis Island and a tour of the Statue of Liberty. So make sure, in addition to Miss DeGrazia's video, which is packed with information, you're watching these videos as well, because you're going to need that to complete the seesaw activity on Manhattan. It's the one you've seen before. What did you learn? What surprised you? And what questions do you still have? So make sure you're using capitals, periods, full sentences, and you're showing us evidence that you've seen all of these resources today. Also, you can head on over to Epic, because I have assigned a book collection to you all about New York City. So spend some time today browsing these New York City books, all right? And then also, I want you to think about your book club reading, finishing it up, reading your book clubs, doing your last bingo board activity, posting it to Seesaw. For writing, you're watching the tutorial, you're completing your Spark video, and you're downloading your trailer and you're writing to a PDF and then putting it in this Drive folder. You're watching that lesson very carefully. For math today, you're going to watch my video on quadrilaterals, and then you're going to head on over to Brain Pop and you're going to complete at least one quiz. And for social studies, you're watching Mr. Grazia's video, you're checking out the 3 additional videos, you're going on over to Epic to read about New York City, and then you can complete the Seesaw activity, all about what did you learn. So lots of things to do today. We will meet at 10 o'clock and go over any questions and celebrate Alex. See you then, guys.